Welcome to the 6th tutorial of my scripting playlist. Today I'm going to teach you about loops. So first, let's talk about the while loop. If I say while and then a Boolean expression like true and then do, then I press enter, the code inside here will keep running until the statement above is false. Since true is never false, this is an infinite loop. But if I change it to false, then it won't run at all. So if I change it back to true, there's actually a problem with this loop. It's going to run so many times that it's going to crash your computer. What we can do to fix this is by waiting between each loop. So if I type wait and then parentheses 1, this will wait 1 second between each loop. So now if I do print hello after and run the code, it prints hello every 1 second. Another example is if I do local money equals 0, and then I do while money is less than 100 do. Then inside here, I do money plus equals 1 to add 1 to money. Then this loop will keep adding 1 to money until it's not less than 100. So now after the loop, if we do print money, then you can see it prints 100. Now I'm going to show you repeat loops. If I type repeat and then enter, the code will repeat until the expression after until becomes true. So if we put false, this is an example of an infinite loop. So if I type print hello, and then to stop the program from crashing, I put wait 1. Then if I run the code, it prints hello every 1 second. An example is if I do local money equals 0, then I can do repeat money plus equals 1 until money is equal to 100. And if I print money and then I run the code, you can see that money is equal to 100. Now I'm going to show you an example of a for loop. If I type for I equals 1, 10, 2, do, and then I press enter, I is a variable that changes every loop. 1 is the starting point and 10 is the ending point, and 2 is the increment. So if we print I, you can see it starts at 1 and it goes up by 2. But it doesn't go up to 11 because that's over 10, and that's not in the range. This is an example of a for loop that counts to 100, and it prints all 100 numbers. This is an example of a loop that counts down from 100. As you can see, we had to set the increment to -1. This is because if we don't set an increment, it's going to default to 1, but we need it to count down. And you can see the first number it prints is 100, and the last number it prints is 0. Here's an example of all 3 loops printing numbers 1 to 10. If you learned something from this video, then stay tuned, because I'm going to be dropping another tutorial every day.